You're now watching Cần Thơ News, the Cần Thơ radio and television station. Here are today's headlines. The National Assembly reviewed proposed penal code amendments, focusing on removing the death penalty for 8 of the 18 current capital offences. Vice Chairwoman Nguyễn Thị Ngọc Điệp chaired a meeting to review preparations for Cần Thö's 2025 high school exit exam. Cần Thơ CDC held a conference to launch its 2025 tobacco harm prevention plan. Top news today. Continuing its ninth session, the National Assembly addressed the proposed amendments to the Penal Code. A key point of discussion was the plan to eliminate the death penalty for 8 out of the current 18 capital offences. The 2015 Penal Code, amended 2017, after over 8 years of implementation, has revealed significant shortcomings, prompting the government to propose urgent revisions. A central change involves abolishing the death penalty for the 8 of current 18 capital offences, replacing it with life imprisonment without parole. This aligns with current practice, which often refrains from applying capital punishment in cases deemed less socially dangerous. The draft also proposes exemption from execution for terminally ill individuals, such as those with late-stage cancer or advanced AIDS. The revised Penal Code consists of 3 parts, 26 chapters, and 433 articles, with 245 articles amended, 6 added, and 18 removed. Concurrently, the National Assembly reviewed draft amendments to the Criminal Procedure Code, the law on credit institutions, and a resolution piloting special mechanisms for social housing development, followed by discussion on the draft law amending the law on enterprises. On the afternoon of May 19, the Cần Thơ City Youth Union Executive Committee convened a conference to review a decade of implementing Politburo Directive 05 on studying and following Ho Chi Minh's ideology, morality, and lifestyle. Youth Union chapters have actively implemented Politburo Directive 05 for the past decade, which focuses on studying and following Ho Chi Minh's ideology, morality, and lifestyle. Guided by higher-level youth unions and party committees, they effectively disseminated the directive core principles and new elements through key activities like volunteer movements, social security initiatives, youth gratitude programs, and impactful campaigns such as lighting up the dreams of Cần Thơ youth, Youth Month, summer campaigns, and the Sea and Island Serenity Program. These efforts have yielded positive community impact and contributed to local development, leading to the Cần Thơ City Youth Union recognizing 17 groups and 14 individuals with certificate of merit for their outstanding contributions. On May 19, Vice Chairwoman of Cần Thơ City People's Committee Nguyễn Thị Ngọc Điệp chaired a meeting of the Steering Committee for the 2025 High School Exit Exam to review preparation. Cần Thơ City will hold its 2025 High School Exit Exam from June 25th to 28th for 13,842 candidates. The city has established 26 official exam sites, include 611 rooms, across 9 districts, with 9 backup sites. To ensure a secure environment, the police will be stationed at key locations and monitor for high-tech cheating. The health department has deployed medical teams and resources for emergencies, while the City Youth Union is supporting disadvantaged and remote candidates. Vice Chairwoman Nguyễn Thị Ngọc Điệp emphasized the exam's importance, given the concurrent operation of 2 curricula and ongoing local government restructuring. Authorities are implementing urgent, coordinated measures for a safe and fair exam. The Education Department is also providing review sessions, test-taking strategies, and psychological support to help students prepare effectively and manage stress. On May 19 afternoon, the Cần Thơ City Labour Federation convened a conference to review a decade of implementing Vietnam General Confederation of Labour Resolution 7B, dated October 21st, 2016, and outline union finance and asset management for 2025. A decade after implementing Resolution 7B on trade union finance, the financial operations of trade unions in Cần Thơ City have demonstrably improved in quality and efficiency. Annual revenues from union funds and dues consistently meet or surpass targets set by the Vietnam General Confederation of Labor, and the centralized fund collection system is effectively enforced. At a recent conference, the City Labor Federation provided guidance on financial and asset management during union dissolution, merger or reorganization, early retirement benefits, decentralized financial collection, and independent auditing of 2024 financial reports. Particular emphasis was placed on managing assets and finances of union-affiliated public service units and companies during restructuring. Recognizing outstanding contributions to the implementation of Resolution 7B, several collectives and individuals were commended and rewarded at the conference. Chairman of Cần Thơ City People's Committee Trương Cảnh Tuyên has issued official dispatch number 2165 regarding the management and use of civil servants in medical facilities and teachers in general schools and kindergartens. Emphasizing efficient resource management, the chairman has directed departments and localities in Cần Thơ to optimize the use of allocated teachers and medical staff, adhering to legal frameworks and ensuring appropriate decentralization across administrative tiers. This directive supports the ongoing streamlining of administrative units and the establishment of two-level local authorities. The chairman mandated the development of recruitment plans for teachers and medical civil servants based on assigned quotas, emphasizing professional standards and local needs. In education, sustained efforts are required to build a stable teacher recruitment pool. Authorities are instructed to review staffing levels, facilitate teacher transfer from surplus to shortage areas, with consideration for support policies, and commit to allowing teachers to return after the transfer period if they wish, thereby addressing the current teacher distribution imbalance promptly and effectively. The Cần Thơ City Center for Disease Control convened a conference on the morning of May 20 to implement its 2025 plan for tobacco harm prevention and control. While the Cần Thơ City Health Department actively promoted tobacco harm awareness through diverse initiatives like competitions and community outreach over the past year, alongside enforcing tobacco control laws, observing national and international no tobacco days, and maintaining smoke-free spaces, a 2024 survey presents a worrying counter-trend. Smoking prevalence among Cần Thơ residents over 15 has increased to 28.1%, 22.2% of men, and 1% of women, a 2.9% rise since 2020, with a particular sharp 6.9% surge in male smokers. This stark reality, revealed despite prevention efforts, underscores that tobacco use remains a significant public health issue in Cần Thơ, necessitating the continued and strengthened interventions that were the focus of the May 20 morning CDC conference. The Cần Thơ City Department of Home Affairs organized its 2025 Occupational Safety and Hygiene Training Session on May 20 morning. From May 20 to 22nd, 136 workers in Cần Thơ export processing zones will participate in comprehensive occupational safety and health or OSH training. The program will cover legal policy, essential safety skills, and protocols for managing hazardous equipment, materials, and chemicals. Participants will also learn about OSH standards, workplace environment monitoring, and strategies for improving working conditions. This initiative aligns with the party and state's increasing emphasis on OSH, demonstrated locally by Cần Thö's annual Action Month on Occupational Safety and Hygiene and Workers' Month, which have garnered significant support and contributed to a reduction in workplace accident. Notably, Cần Thơ recorded 108 occupational accidents in 2024, a decrease of 20 compared to the previous year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.